Here's how I helped my friend buy his first cash flowing duplex with an 18% return when he was only 27.
My name's Adam. I'm 27 years old. I'm in pharmaceutical sales for the past 4 or 5 years. And for the past year or two, I've been interested in investment properties. And I've done my research online. I've done my research through various YouTube channels. I read a ton of books up on it just because it is a good chunk of change you're investing in, especially with investment properties down payments as high as 25% down. So I was really scared investing all my cash at once. I closed on my first property about a month or two ago, and he helped me out through each step. So you won't really figure out what's going on in your first investment property until you're actually in. And I felt like I was best prepared just because Antonio took me step by step. Took me from the very first step, which is getting a pre-approval letter from a lender saying you're pre-approved for X amount of dollars for a house, all the way to closing and everything in between. He really helped me out a lot. When I told him my investment strategy, I originally wanted to invest somewhere that I knew there was going to be job growth, population growth, somewhere like Austin. And he told me that while it might be a good investment strategy, it's not going to get you cash flow monthly to get you an income stream other than your work. He took me through his process and he helped me out with it personally. I knew that he was also helping other people at the same time. So he had his hands filled, but he took his time with it and he walked me through exactly what I need to account for, whether it be the mortgage, taxes, insurance, and capital expenditure, vacancy, and repairs. He got me ready for everything and made sure the numbers made sense. So that was the number one thing he stressed, that the numbers had to make sense. It doesn't really matter what the place looks like. You don't even have to see the place. A lot of times people don't even see the place that they're investing in, especially if they're investing out of state, as long as the numbers make sense. And I'm sure he'll help you, whoever is interested, he'll walk you through it. But I found it very helpful in that I didn't really know what was going on. It's my first property ever bought, let alone investment property. It was definitely nerve-wracking investing all that cash at once. I was able to sleep well at night knowing that my cash on cash return yearly was around 18%. So I got a really good deal. So my investment property is in Ewing, New Jersey. I hadn't been too many times in my life, to be honest, even though I'm from New Jersey. But that being said, the numbers made sense and there were already tenants occupying both levels. So it's a multifamily home. Yeah, I definitely would recommend him to whoever's getting started out or whoever is already in investment properties, to be honest, because he's really knowledgeable and he knows exactly what he's talking about. He helped me out a ton, I know, and I definitely know that I wouldn't be able to have gotten this deal and gotten everything together so quickly without his help. I would definitely recommend Antonio for sure.
If you want to buy your first investment property and get my help, DM me the word mentor.